Hi everyone, we're going to take a brief look at your EPSON projector. So you can see we have it hooked up with an HDMI and a USB, and you can see that it is projecting. A couple things to point out. One, sometimes people may have the PC screen only come up, and it's going to show a blue screen. So if that ever does happen, what you can do is simply go ahead into F8 and make sure that it is duplicated, and then you'll see it come up. So that is a possibility. One of the other possibilities is your HDMI cord isn't plugged in far enough. Just make sure that that's in. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you a few things using your pen. So right now, as you can see, if we come down in here, you can see there's annotation mode, and if we turn it back on, there's PC operation mode, which means you're going to use the pen just like you would if you had, let's just say, a mouse. So we could go ahead in, we could select in here, and then you could see here's Typing Club. So of course you could accept and so on. But a few things to show you. Let's just say we wanted to go ahead and annotate. So how can we do that? Down in here in the bottom right, we're going to go into annotation mode. Then you can see your options. We're going to select red, and then there are other options here you can take a look at. But what we're going to do is we're going to keep it as a squiggly, and we're just going to go ahead and circle. So you can see you can circle there, you can draw over here, whatever it is you would like. If you want to undo that last, you could go ahead and undo the last little bit that you drew and continue till you remove it. You can also go ahead and bring it back as well. And of course you could remove all annotations and clear the screen. Okay, so that's a nice addition. Thing is, sometimes just remember to put it back onto PC operation mode. So let's show you what it looks like if a video is playing. Okay, so we have a video playing and we want to quickly mute the picture and sound. You can go ahead and select in that, and to bring it back, you can go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and pause. Let's show you a few more things down here. To the right, you're going to see the plus where you could go ahead and make a certain section larger. So if you want, you can see how that made it a little larger. If you want a certain section, you could go ahead and let's just do that so you can see now that is quite a bit larger. To go back, go ahead and hit the ×1. Okay, to take a picture, you can go ahead. You can do the full screen or a select area. So let's do a select area so you can see. Let's move this over like that. You could go ahead, select that right there. It's been captured and sent to the whiteboard. So let's take a look at what the whiteboard looks like. So if we select the whiteboard right down in here, you can see we still have our computer screen over here. We can move this over if we'd like to there. Now, in order to annotate on it, just a reminder, you need to go ahead and select right down in there. And then of course you could annotate as you see fit. Make sure to bring the PC operation mode back on. And if you want, you can just do that. Now, you could also go ahead and select right in here. Nice quick one is a volume, so you could go ahead and turn it down if you'd like, but the biggest one is a timer. So you can see you have a count up and a count down. Now, one more thing to show you is, I don't know if you've noticed, but there's this pen hovering where if I have the pen, as you can kind of see, there's that little, I don't know, that little icon that comes up. To turn that off, what you need to do, gotta go to menu, and then make sure to go down to pen touch, and then over to pen hovering, click the OK, and then make sure to turn it off. Then you return, and then hit menu again, and then you can see that the pen hovering is no longer there. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, so we have been connected with the wires, with the HDMI and the USB. What if we want to use this wirelessly? Let's take them off. Now, you could go to F8 and go through it that way. So you could select F8, connect to a wireless display, and then choose the specific room or the specific projector. The quicker, easier way is do Window, K, then make sure to select the proper one. And then make sure to allow right in here. And as you can see, we are now wireless. And let's go ahead, just to show you, you can go ahead and set up as you see fit. If you'd like, right up in here, you can see this. You could go ahead and remove that just by selecting right in there if you would like that. Now, if you want, of course, you can still hit play and give it a little bit of time. And you can see it's projecting as well as the audio is coming through as well. To remove it, you could just do F8 and then simply select disconnect. And then you can see right up in here, if you want to reconnect, again, just hit the Windows K again. And you can see, give it a little bit of time again, that it is now up there. Each time, this will come up right in here. You can, if you'd like. If you don't want to remove it entirely, you could do this. It just shows you what you're connected to. Is up to you, but it does move as well if you select here. If you want to keep that up there, you could simply do that, or again, just remove the pin. All right, if you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Okay, so if you're playing a video and it's just playing through your computer, what you need to do is come right down here, select, and then see where it says Realtek. Make sure you see this little caret, select there, and then choose the EPSON, and then go ahead and play. And there you go.